Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. My name is Nanda Kishore. Today I come up with one of the machine learning project and I took this data from the Kaggle. This is related to agriculture. We can say it as a agriculture data set, and here it is the ID, and we can say it is ID means it is a farmer name. Instead of name we can took an ID, and estimated insect count. It is per square meter how many in the field in the farm, how many insects it is in the particular square meter. And it is a crop type maybe two types of crop here it is, that is 0 and 1. 0 it means we can consider it one yearly crop, and 1 it is considered as one more yearly crop. And soil type it is a mainly two types of soil types. Here it is 0 and 1. We can say 0 is considered as a black soil, 1 is can consider it as a red soil. And pesticides category, mainly here it is a 1 2 and 3 is there. 1 means it is with pesticides are never used, and 2 means pesticides has been previously used, and 3 means pesticides never used. You can consider like this. Total the data set it is around 890,000 rows are there here. You can see here. You can see here it is a near about 88,859 rows are there here. Let's get into our Jupyter notebook. Here it is our data set, and we can mainly we are discussing about the agriculture. If we discuss about the agriculture is the most important sector for in India, and we can say it is almost 47% of GDP. GDP contributed in agriculture itself. It is one of the most important sector in India. And for this under this sector, many farmers are very poor farmers. Most of the people are very poor and uneducated, and many governments has been tried to change this, but background situation is still the same. You can say government has made a commitment to double the income of farmers by 2022. Let's see how it is. And there are many problems are there in this sector. Many researchers, scholars, and suggested many solutions, but most of the solution is not applied on the ground level. But still, it is same. And first, okay, let's get into the data. And main the problem statement it is, we have a certain data, and we need to determine of by using all the features final outcome, whether the crop is alive, or whether the crop is damaged due to the pesticides, or damage due to any other reasons like rain splashes and floods. Now, like we can say it is a natural disasters. Actually we can see here the data what we have. Please wait a minute. I don't know whether it is recording or not. Yeah, that's fine. We have a time 7 minutes more. Okay, this is the data we have. This is the data columns. We can say the estimated insects per square meters, and crop type we have majorly two crop types, and pesticide use category 1 means never used, 2 is previously used, 3 is currently using, and number of doses weeks per pesticides how many per a week, how many doses are using, number of weeks already used the farmer is used, number of weeks farm is quite, and the season. This is the season, that is 1 2 and 3. We can say 1 is kharif, 2 is rabi, and 3 is summer. And next it is a crop damage, it is the final output. After based on all these features we have final output, that is 0 means alive, 1 is damage due to other reasons, 2 is damage due to other pesticides. Actually it is a Kaggle dataset, so I don't need to clean all the dataset. So already it is a well cleaned dataset, because if there is any possibilities or any mistakes we can try to clean that. And let's start about our data. Actually I imported the basic libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn. And here I read the data. Here I read the data using pandas, and as usual, I saw the first 5 and last 5 rows. Here it is, and later on I saw the data information. We can see here there is a here we can see a total data set is we know that it is 88,558. You can say it is non-null values here, non-null. So here we can see that number of weeks is there is a null values here, null values we found here. Let's see the how many null values are here. You can see the all the there is no duplicate values. We have unique values all about 88,000. To see the missing values, we imported the missing go. So here we can see that number of weeks is used. Here there is a lot of null values are here. Let's see how many null values are here. So we can say we can't see the how many null values are there. So by using a missing go bar, we can see the how many number of non-null values are present. So we can clarity see here there is a lot of null values are present here. This number of weeks used. So I saw the null values here. So number of weeks is it is near about 9,000 null values are here. So I tried to fill the null values. So I draw a plot due to how can we fill the null values. So I tried here using by filling method is the best method I choose here. We can fill by using mean, mode, median also. By I choose here forward filling method. I filled all the null values with forward filling method. Later on I saw the all I changed that in all the objects are int type. Actually number of weeks is it is in data type of object, so I tried into the int. This is the description, and later on I filtered the data in the season 1. It is the season 1 and crop type is 0. At the time we have the data like this, near about 20,000 of rows are crop type is 0 and season 1. Later on I filtered the data and crop is alive and 0 means crop is alive, and crop type is 1 and crop type is 0. And crop type you can say that two types of crop is there. And zeroth crop type near about 52,000 are there, and zero is crop damage is 0 and crop type is 1 near about 21,000. You can say here later on like that, and crop is damaged due to the pesticide. You can say here itself by crop damage is very less due to the pesticides. It is near about only we can say it is around 10% itself. Most of the 89% of data here you can say that out of 89,000 72,000 crops are alive. So we can say directly here it is an imbalanced data. So we try to balance it by using a over random sampling. So I did some exploratory data analysis. So we can see here near about 75,000 of crops are alive, and crop damage due to the other reasons only near about 10,000, and crop damage due to the pesticides it is not more than 5,000. I tried to do here. We can see the 83% of crop is not damaged alive it is, and only 2.6% of crop is damaged due to the pesticides. And here 71 types of 71 percentage of crop is 71% of the crop type is 0, and we can say it is one different one of the crop, that is one of the yearly crop, and 28% of the crop type 1. Crop type 1 we can consider it is one of another crop, but particularly I can't say which crop it is because I don't know that. Actually I took this data set from the Kaggle. This is the count plot, and here I saw that the crop is 0, and the crop type is 0, and crop is more than 55%, 55,000 of the crops is alive. And say here actually I will give the in description about this in GitHub link. You can check in there in my code, and as well I will give the dataset also. This is the histoplot I drawn. Here we can see the number of weeks they are used more near about 25 farmers or 25,000, near about 25,000 of farmers are using more than 20